You've been dreaming of building your own AI app or chatbot, but hit a wall every time. API limits, expensive models, complicated setup. Not anymore, because I'm showing you a website that you can access DeepSeek API for free. Unlimited usage. Let's dive in.
First of all, go to this website, OpenRouter, and just create an account. I have already created an account, so you have to search for DeepSeek R1 052B. Click on DeepSeek R1 052B, free one, and click on API. The below have a button to create an API key. Click on Create API Key. Then create a new API key. I have already created an API key, so create fresh one and copy that API key and you have good to go. You can use this API key in your next project of unlimited usage. And don't forget to check the documentation, and I will also show you the demo, no worries. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. You can find the documentation below Create API Key. It is very easy to integrate in your own project, and I have created a project so that I can check the API is working or not. So I have created a chatbot. So let's see the demo. So first paste the API key you have just copied from OpenRouter. Then hope it should work. Waiting for response, wait for some time. Let's see, it's taking some time to respond, but don't worry, it should respond. So I'm hoping you like this video. Please subscribe my channel for more such videos. See you in the next video.